Dollar Trader back again. And we got some exciting stuff to talk about. So let's, get right into the weekly chart. You know how we do. We always do higher time frame analysis first. And we can see that we're in the optimal trade entry. Let's just mark that. So price is reacting off of this optimal trade entry type deal right here on the weekly chart, which, that's good to know because this is a weekly chart. And the weekly chart is where the big moves originate. It's where we get the big money moves. So let's just keep that in mind. Also, we see our fractal we put in the low. We see this low right here. Then we see a higher low on the left, a higher low on the right, indicating that price is going to move away from this optimal trade entry. Where we could be reaching to, obviously these highs at 300 and this weekly order block as well, which is just probably gonna line up with like a optimal trade entry short as well, but that's just the first target. So 277 is the order block right there. So yeah, we're looking bullish, so pretty exciting stuff. But let's call this to our attention right here, this bearish order block, right? And it seems that at least for the short term, price is going to respect this level. And we can go down onto smaller time frames and really get a look at that. But just to reiterate, the ICT Inner Circle Trader, the guy who showed me this technique, is basically an order block is it's an up move prior to a convincing move downwards. And this exists because smart money is selling into buying. Because smart money has a lot of orders, they need this buying to give them liquidity to fill their orders to go short. So they're going to put in the high here. So this is where smart money is selling in the past, and we see that we are respecting this level currently. So now we have that level drawn, we have our optimal trade entry long drawn, we also have a potential resistance level drawn, and we have higher time frame targets drawn. A little roadmap we're starting out with. So on the daily, just like we were on the weekly, where I was talking about how we reacted here with the higher low on the left, higher low on the right, that's a swing low that has been placed into the market. We have just placed a swing high into the market at weekly resistance. So this is a high, this is a lower high on the left, and a lower high on the right. So we could be potentially making our move, setting up for a retracement into some kind of optimal trade entry. So let's draw that. And it would look something like this. And then so now where's our optimal trade entry? Let's say it's like right here in this zone. Assuming that it gets down there. It might not even get down there. I don't know. But we do seem to be respecting this key level. Now, on the daily chart, we got to draw in some targets. This order block looks pretty good. So let's just draw this in. So 294 is a potential target, and 289 is a potential target. So yeah, I would be looking for price to react at these levels. If we did break 244, I would definitely be looking for like 289. But let's move down to the 4 hour now, since we've done some analysis on the 1 day. And we can see what looks like a market maker sell model, which I've talked about. That's episode 2 of the little series I'm doing about Bitcoin trading. But, one of the keys to this market maker profile is basically you have to download a bunch of viruses on your computer, and then you're just really good at trading Bitcoin. But so the key is you have to be I mean, the market maker profile. So we're reaching from. Okay, this is a pretty good example. I mean, this is pretty dope. So we are. Price is pretty much just going to range from a significant support level to a significant resistance level. So we've already mapped the significant support level as the weekly optimal trade entry to go long. And so when we see this price react and it's reaching for a key resistance level. The key resistance level we've mapped, that we've chosen to map out, is a weekly order block. And then what we're looking for when we see our key resistance level, we're looking for a convincing move downwards to signal that possibly a very large entity is interested in selling at these prices. And once market structure breaks here, this is a swing low on the 4-hour chart. Market structure has broken bearish, and we're going to sell retracements. So very shortly, I'm probably just going to turn this video off and I'm just going to dump, right? I'm probably going to sell very soon. Probably like this is probably the top right here. But disclaimer, I actually tried to sell here and I just got wrecked. So now we're going to try it again. You know, same setup. Maybe I was a little premature here, but I'm selling this all day. And it's a little scary considering the weekly is bullish, but at the same time, you know, this is how I trade. You know, this is the setup. This is the market maker profile, so gotta do what you gotta do. We're going for it. And since we are bullish, though, on the weekly chart, we know that we're probably not going to, our target is not going to be looking to take these lows out. Our target is going to be more along the lines of a retracement, which we've already mapped out, I think, right? Yeah. So the retracement is going to be, this is our optimal trade entry retracement area. So 225. It's also some order blocks here. And it would sweep this low. And then we might be going bullish. If we were to break these lows, you know, I don't see that happening, but it would be very bad news. And Bitcoin would probably be going to 135. But, yeah. Let's just stay positive. Not think about that for now. We just want a small little retracement. Just to get a little more bang for your buck, you know? Get Bitcoin on sale before it goes to the moon. Or before GBTC starts trading at $5,000, because Barry Pumpbert and his pumping crew is buying and selling, you know, Bitcoin on the stock market, whatever he's doing. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I'm kind of tired, too, and I'm just rambling. So, yeah. I mean, we got off track. Video was going pretty good. No, I just kind of went to shit. But you're really seeing go from the week to the day to the 4-hour, and you're just building a case. So we're looking to short soon because we have reached support or resistance. We have broken market structure. We do see this market maker sell program going on. And we do have to keep in mind that the weekly is pointing up. So obviously if we don't get this set up, like if this doesn't go my way, like instantly, I'm going to, you know, get out of the way and look for, you know, a time to buy, because I do think that we are headed to 289, the daily order block that we have outlined, right? So we've got our targets here. These would be our targets. You see everything's outlined. We react off support, react on resistance, looking for an optimal trade entry to blast off. Let's go down to the 1 hour now. And I mean, this is, you know, resistance, I suppose. It's not the, you know, strongest of resistances, but yeah, looking to sell soon. I should probably look at the charts to see when I want to sell. Maybe like selling right here, or maybe what's that? 240, 239. This would be the order block. This would be like the money sell zone, but I don't know if it's gonna get that high. Yeah, let's just say just sell now. What if we just sold now and got more viruses? Yeah, I would have to look at the charts more, to be honest, but Selling soon. How can I figure out a price to sell at? I don't know, man, but that's pretty much the video for today. That's all I wanted to go for. If we go to the 15-minute chart, yeah, 238.94. Just so that, I mean, I guess that's a good place to sell. 238. And then you have a $6 stop loss. I mean, price is not going to get back up here, I don't think. If it does, that would just be a Ponzi. But yeah, that's all I got. For next time, good luck and good trading.